what?
What burrito? Oh, son of a bitch.
Would be kind of chunky though, you know.
Oh, good Lord. Heads up, guys. Oh my So much fun. Oh, God, I don't like this part. Yeah. I'm trying.
I don't think it's gonna let us rock it.
No. Oh. I think that was the best one. Well, other than the second one.
Other than the second.
Oh, yeah. Oh, now you go hands free.
That's right. I don't want to let my hands off it.